Everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of November 2020 has in store for the sun sign Cancer. For the Cancerians, the first week of November 2020 is going to be a week where you are going to practice a lot of self-restraint, control and a lot of patience. So, in many areas of your life, you have been really let's say being emotionally excited or overwhelming to go ahead and make a lot of major decisions, but somehow this is the week where you're going to nicely control yourself, restrain yourself and see to it that you don't go ahead and take an impulsive decision. Instead, what you are going to do is sit down this entire week of November and quietly sit down, write down and contemplate over the pros and cons of your decision. In a way, I could say for the Cancerians, the first week of November 2020 is going to be a major decision-making week on a lot of areas of your life. Moving on to the first important area, that is work. For the Cancerians, for the first week of November 2020, this is going to be a week where you are going to make some major decisions on the work front. On the work front, you might have reached a stage in your career where you feel that you have given enough of yourself to a particular company or let's say in a particular profile of work, and now that you really want to move it to the next level. So this is going to be that week where you will decide where do you really want to stay in this company or should you just quit and resign and take the next step. Now that next step could be simply moving on to some other company. You might actually take a major decision of quitting your job and actually turning your hobby into your profession as well. There is a chance that you might actually make a major decision about from going from the space of employment to a new space of being self-employed. So basically this week is all going to be about major decision making when it comes to your career or your work. See to it that you give yourself a lot of time. See to it that you think your things very thoroughly. Don't go for an impulsive or a hasty decision. As it is, for the first week of November, you are going to feel you will be actually compelled to self-restrain yourself because you will be actually seeing to it that you don't get overwhelmed. So it is in fact a very good quality that rather than someone actually asking you to not get overwhelmed, you are going to do that thing to yourself. Moving on to the finances. Finances are absolutely very nice and smooth flowing. In fact, for your work profile, you might be tempted to take up some kind of a short course or something and invest in it so that it adds to your body of work. If there is a major financial investment or some kind of a nice purchase that you want to make, for the first week of November, you are actually going to stop yourself and not make that purchase. You would actually make the decision of not spending and keeping and saving some finances for some further kind of a investment or a future kind of a decision if in case you feel that the finances are required then. So yes, you're going to restrain yourself on making any kind of an unnecessary purchase for the first week of November. Moving on to the relationships. Relationships is an area where Cancerians are going to feel very beautifully surprised for the first week of November. So for people who are singles and are wanting to date someone, you might just be acquainted with a like-minded person or a person who makes you feel very cool and free and carefree at your heart. There are a significant chances that you might just hit it off spontaneously with someone. Someone might just unexpectedly ask you out and you might actually want to think of going ahead and just saying yes to the person. So yes, the first week of November 2020 is a week where I would say go ahead and take your chance. Take your chance. Don't commit. But why not? Go ahead, take your chance, get to know the other person, and see what the relationship or where this acquaintance is headed. It is a good week to actually start off something new in matters of relationship. Moving on to the space of health. Health wise, for the Cancerians, it is going to be a very, very beautiful week where a lot of energy and enthusiasm and stamina is going to be there, and you are going to be very gung-ho about doing things for the first week of November 2020. There are no health issues at all. There is no health hassles at all. So yes, just go ahead and rightfully enjoy this week.